A great rug doesn't just sit on the floor, it anchors a room, tells a cultural story, and sometimes even grows in value over time. But if you've ever looked at antique or handmade rugs and felt overwhelmed by the patterns, prices, and terminology, you're not alone. Welcome to How Expert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Rug Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes& Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Rug collecting blends art, history, craftsmanship, and smart buying decisions. Whether you're drawn to Persian classics, tribal designs, or modern artisan pieces, learning how to evaluate quality and authenticity makes all the difference. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you start collecting with confidence. Step number 1. Understand the major rug types. Before buying anything, familiarize yourself with common categories like Persian, Turkish, Caucasian, and tribal rugs. Each region has distinctive weaving techniques, motifs, and color palettes. For example, Persian rugs often feature intricate floral medallions, while tribal rugs may have bold geometric designs. Learning visual differences trains your eye and prevents costly confusion. Knowledge reduces guesswork and builds confidence quickly. Step number 2. Learn to identify handmade versus machine. Made. One of the most important distinctions in rug collecting is construction method. Turn the rug over and inspect the back. Handmade rugs show individual knots and slight imperfections, which actually signal authenticity. Machine-made rugs typically have uniform stitching and synthetic backing. Understanding this difference protects you from overpaying for something mass-produced. Step number 3. Examine materials and dyes. High-quality rugs are often made from wool, silk, or a blend of both. Wool is durable and ideal for long-term use, while silk offers finer detail and sheen. Also pay attention to dyes. Natural vegetable dyes tend to age beautifully and develop character over time. Synthetic dyes may look bright initially but can fade unevenly. Materials significantly influence both longevity and value. Step number 4. Evaluate knot density and craftsmanship. Knot density, often measured in knots per square inch, affects detail and durability. Higher knot density usually allows for more intricate patterns. However, density alone doesn't determine quality. Consistency and tightness of knots matter too. Examine edges and fringe for signs of strong construction. A well-crafted rug feels sturdy and balanced when laid flat. Step number 5. Research provenance and seller reputation. Where you buy matters. Purchase from reputable dealers, established galleries, auctions, or trusted estate sales. Ask questions about origin, age, and restoration history. A trustworthy seller will provide clear information. Documentation adds credibility and can increase resale value. Collecting with transparency ensures long-term satisfaction. Step number 6. Consider condition. Carefully age alone doesn't guarantee value. Inspect for wear, fading, stains, moth damage, or repairs. Some wear adds charm and authenticity, especially in antique pieces. However, heavy damage may reduce structural integrity. If restoration is needed, factor that cost into your decision. A balanced assessment prevents emotional overspending. Step number 7. Buy what you love, not just what's trendy. Market trends fluctuate, but personal taste lasts. Choose rugs that resonate with you visually and emotionally. A piece you love will always feel valuable in your home, regardless of market shifts. Collecting becomes far more enjoyable when guided by appreciation rather than speculation alone. Step number 8. Preserve and maintain your collection. Proper care extends the life of your rugs. Rotate them periodically to ensure even wear. Avoid direct sunlight, which can fade colors over time. Vacuum gently without using aggressive beater bars. Professional cleaning every few years maintains fibers and color vibrancy. Preservation protects both beauty and investment. Imagine finding a vintage Persian-style rug at an estate sale. You flip it over and see uneven hand-tied knots, a good sign. The wool feels dense and the colors show subtle variation, suggesting natural dyes. There's minor edge wear but no major structural damage. After researching similar pieces, you negotiate a fair price and bring it home. With proper care, it becomes both a design centerpiece and a meaningful addition to your collection. Another example, you spot a rug online with a surprisingly low price for a claimed antique. Upon closer inspection of photos, the backing appears uniform and machine-made. Instead of rushing into a deal, you pass, saving yourself from an expensive mistake. Knowledge protects you. How expert tip: train your eye with repetition. Spend time browsing auction catalogs, galleries, and museum collections even when you're not buying. Repeated exposure sharpens your ability to recognize quality and authenticity quickly. Over time, your instincts improve because they're backed by experience. When you approach rug collecting with research, patience, and appreciation, it becomes a rewarding journey rather than a risky gamble. You'll develop an eye for craftsmanship, discover cultural stories woven into fibers, and curate pieces that elevate both your space and your knowledge. Your challenge: visit a reputable rug dealer or browse a well-known auction catalog this week. Choose 3 rugs and analyze their type, material, knot density, and condition using the steps you learned today. Practice evaluating before purchasing. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on rug collecting, check out HowExpert Guide to Rug Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.